Sometimes, when you're building an application that needs to work with large language models, you'll find that tools like LangChain and LlamaIndex come up again and again, but they actually approach the same problem from two different angles. LangChain started as a way to create chains of prompts and responses so that developers could build multi-step reasoning or decision flows on top of a model. Over time, it evolved into a broad framework for orchestrating all aspects of LLM-powered apps: prompt templates, memory, tools, agents, vector stores, and retrieval. You can think of it as a Swiss Army knife for integrating large language models into an application. It gives you abstractions for each building block: how to retrieve data, how to call different models, how to track state, and makes it easier to swap pieces in and out as your needs change. LlamaIndex, which was originally called GPT Index, takes a narrower but deeper focus on data indexing and retrieval for large language models. Its core idea is to help you load, structure, and query external data so that your model has the context it needs to give better answers. Rather than managing agents or tool use, it specializes in constructing indices, vector stores, tree structures, and other retrieval strategies, and provides a simple interface for asking questions over your data. Many developers actually combine it with LangChain. They use LlamaIndex to feed structured, searchable context into LangChain's orchestration layer. When deciding between them, it helps to picture your application. If you mainly need to manage how prompts flow, how memory persists, and how different tools interact with each other, LangChain gives you the scaffolding. If you already have a pipeline, but you're struggling with how to feed documents, PDFs, databases, or APIs into a model in a way that produces accurate, grounded answers, LlamaIndex offers a more specialized toolkit. Both are open source, both integrate with popular vector databases, and both continue to add features rapidly. Because of this, the real choice isn't necessarily one or the other, but how you blend them. Developers often start with LlamaIndex to handle retrieval, and then layer LangChain on top for orchestration, or vice versa, depending on the complexity of the app, which shows how complementary they can be when building production-ready LLM applications.